My name is Claire Mitchell. I'm an environmental engineer. I have 8 years of experience, and what's cool about my job is the results are very tangible. When I went to college, I thought I was going to be a dentist, so completely different career path, and then I decided that wasn't the route that I wanted to go. So I actually have a couple of cousins who are engineers, from civil to ceramic engineers. And one of my female cousins is a civil engineer, so she was kind of my role model. So I decided I was going to go into civil engineering. What I typically do at work is, well, I'm a project manager, so I'm doing a lot of reporting and financial management, task management, planning for field events. I do a lot of report writing. Writing skills are very important in the engineering field. The most useful college course that I took was probably an engineering entrepreneurship class. You know, it had some technical aspects, but it was really kind of taught you how to, you know, seek out problem solving and solutions on your own. And a lot of what we do is in teams. A lot of what we do is also individual work. So, you know, being self-motivated and is very important. So that was a good course for me. The most important skills, probably people skills. You know, we're working in a team environment a lot. So getting along with your coworkers, being able to problem solve and work as a group is probably the most important skill. A moment when I realized that, you know, this was the right career for me was a project we were doing management of soil excavation for a large redevelopment. And day to day, we're on the site in the excavation, dealing with big trucks, and so kind of, you know, the importance of what we're doing was kind of not very clear on a day-to-day basis. But now it's a large residential building, grocery store down in downtown DC. So every time I walk past it, I think it's a really cool thing that I was a part of it. First of all, I would say engineering gives you a lot of flexibility in your career. In college, I was a civil engineering major, and under civil engineering, that umbrella, there's, you know, several different disciplines. So if you decide to be a civil engineer, you can end up being, you know, if you're interested in the environment or if you're interested in structures, you can go many different ways with, you know, the engineering career. Another thing I would say is, you know, it's a very stable job. You know, there are a lot of different opportunities. I've traveled and actually moved around the country multiple times, and finding a new job, no matter where I was, you know, a lot easier than it could have been with another career. What takes up a lot of my free time is I have a dog named Joey. He's a golden retriever. He's 2 years old. So, you know, I like to take him on walks every day, and every Sunday we go to training, and he's currently pursuing his Canine Good Citizen certificate. So, so I love to, you know, train my dog and work with him. Not to say he's super well behaved, but, you know, it's something I like to do in my spare time.